What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're going to be going over the 350 build with my cousin. And shout out to Billy Blast Customs. He be rocking with the Silky Smooth Gang, Coleman crew. And shout out to CJ So Cool. Man, you know we got the merch on today. And yeah, let's get right into this video right after this dope intro.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
It's coming along. It's coming along.
Slowly.
He said, I ain't gonna talk no more. The wheels you sprayed?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do everything. Everything. You took that wheel back off?
Mm-hmm.
What's your plan on them?
What's that?
On the other wheels?
Oh, that wide body. Because, man, they come out.
They stick out too far?
I can camber it, but, man, I really don't want to camber it because you be running through tires like nothing.
Yeah. And you be buying back tires all the time.
Mm-hmm. And that was just 13 wide. I'm going to get it. They can get a shot of it.
Yeah. It's coming together though. I did a little work on here also. Came over, helped them out. Yeah. Yeah. It's coming together. I had hail damage. Back dent back here. It's smooth now. Smooth. Oh yeah. That's wide right there.
13.
Look at that lip on there.
They just don't do no justice, huh?
Nah, man. Not in person. It's way different. It is. That's nice. I like it. So he done had like all kind of cars like me too, though. You know. So what inspired you to do a 350 build?
It just kind of grew on me, man.
Yeah.
And you know, I used to be into 240s, well I still am, but
yeah,
350Z is a little newer.
Yeah, a little more up to date.
Yeah, up to date.
Yeah.
And it's pretty much a new 240.
You're right. So you thinking about just stance wise, or are you thinking about later on if you keep it, you thinking about doing turbo or anything like that?
Yeah, 2JZ.
2JZ?
Yeah.
Man, he say 2JZ. God dang.
Yeah, 2JZ.
We're gonna have to put some, yeah, we're gonna have to lift it up a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. It'd be a different setup on that.
Yeah, for sure. Well, it came a long way already.
Yeah,
I was just giving
November?
YouTube a little overview of how far it came, and then I'll put some pictures of when he bought it, how it looked. So, and like I said, I helped out a little bit on it. I ain't no pro, but you don't see no dents on this boy. I can tell you that. Yeah, so badass video coming soon on the 350Z. Coming soon, coming soon. My cousin Shane Scott, he talking about he looking rough. It's all good, it's all good. What's your Instagram?
Z33 Scotty.
Already hit him up on his Instagram and shit. We're gonna have some more car content for y'all all summer, man. We're gonna be
yes, sir.
We're gonna be tearing it up.
Yeah.